channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Hot Shots. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Hot Shots. Now what you're going to need is to create your own racket out of a paper plate and a spatula with some tape on it. I'm going to use this plastic ball that I'm borrowing from my son. I have a hula hoop attached with a little clamp and a pole, and this could be a cone, it could be some type of base. If you guys want, you could even tape it up against a wall, okay? So that's going to be your setup for this game of Hot Shots. Alright, so now for level 1, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to pop up my ball and try to make it land inside or through the hula hoop. Now I have 2 spots on the floor. I have one right here at 5 feet, which is for 1 point. If I want to challenge myself and go from 8 feet away, I have a second line right there, and that's going to be worth 3 points. So again, I'm going to go stand behind. I'm going to strike my ball and try to make it land inside of the ring. If I do not, that's okay. I'm going to retrieve it. Try again. That would be worth 1 point right there. Come back. Try it from 8 feet away. And again, if I make it, I get points for that. Okay? I'm going to have 1 minute to try to score as many points as I can.
3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, 1 point. That's 2 points. 5 points. 6 points. 7 points. 10 points. 11 points. 12 points. 13 points. 14 points. 15 points. 16 points.
Time. So the total score was 16 points. Jordan's up next. All right, here we go. So Jordan's up next. He's going to do the 1 minute challenge. Again, he's going to try to strike the ball and try to make it land inside or hit the back of the wall. Okay. At the 5 foot mark is 1 point. 8 foot mark is worth 3 points. So here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 1 point. Oh, trying to do a double whammy. That's acceptable. That is allowed, my friends. 2 points. Just missed. 3 points. 4 points. Jordan's ready for the rally, are you? 5 points. Oh, just missed. 27 seconds left. 6 points. 7 points. Just missed. 10 points. And 11 points at the buzzer. Jordan finished round 1 with 11 points. Alright, so now we'll move on to level 2. Now what I'm going to do is strike my ball, make it land inside the hoop. Every time it hits the wall off the hoop, that's worth 1 point. If it goes outside of the hoop, it does not count. My goal is to see how many points I can make inside the hoop in 1 minute without it hitting the floor. Score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 was my highest, and we'll go from there. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Alright, so start over. 1 is my high score. 1. 1 is still my high score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so 4 is my high score. I'm going to start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. right, go up. 14. All right, 14 front high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And time. So I believe my high score was 14. Can you beat my score? Drop a comment down below. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still up, has not hit 4. 6. All right, 6 is the high so far. Start over, reset, let's go, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, 6 is still his high score. 29 seconds left. 1, 1, 2, 1. And time. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Hot Shots. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, ways you would modify it. Drop a comment down below. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.